Hi YouTube. You've seen Nina before. I'm trying to show you the big dog in the house. Of course you see Nina. He's camera shy. So yeah, it's good. Oh, so yeah, you know. Let me give you some facts about this dog. Hold on. You know, loves to eat any food that you give her. Nino loves to hunt or like play. I don't know. You need the company. So, yeah. Oh, and Nina likes to break things. This is their old bed. And that's the cotton. So, yeah, bye YouTube.